Hey YouTube, it's TechSupportGoneBad, and today you're going to be watching me solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, for those of you who are familiar with my videos, you probably know that I'm good at editing and all that stuff, but no, this isn't edited. I'm not playing it backwards. I'm not memorizing what I mixed up. I'm just going to mix it up randomly, actually, right now. What else? Oh, I know you guys are probably going to ask this, but the website I use for this timer is cubetimer.com. cubetimer.com, and yes, a really cool website. All you have to do is just press the space button, starts timing, the timer goes, press it again and it stops, and you could do it like a bunch of times and it'll tell you your average and all that. So that's what I'm going to be using today to time myself on the Rubik's Cube, and you guys are going to watch me. So again, nothing edited, nothing fancy. Yeah, you probably, if you're familiar with my videos, you probably know that I'm the biggest nerd you've ever met. So, yeah, solve the Rubik's Cube. So, let's go. And just give me a second to take a look at it. Alright, and 3, 2, 1. And there you have it. Just fixed the Rubik's Cube in 1 minute 39 seconds. No, I can't do it in like 30 seconds or whatever, but I'm pretty good at it. So just thought should toss in something else besides tutorials. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Again, the website I use is cubetimer.com, and yeah, I got it in 1 minute 39. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.